Are you unknowingly sabotaging your financial future? In your 20s and 30s, small money mistakes can have massive consequences. Stick around as we uncover the 10 most common financial traps and, more importantly, how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with smart strategies to take control of your money and build a secure future. Opening scene: bright, upbeat music with visuals of young adults managing their finances, paying bills, or enjoying life without stress. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we simplify finances and help you achieve your goals. Today, we're diving into the top 10 money mistakes people make in their 20s and 30s. Whether you're just starting out or trying to get your finances in order, this video is packed with practical advice to help you avoid costly pitfalls. Let's get started. 1. Living beyond your means. It's easy to get carried away with lifestyle upgrades when you start earning. Avoid falling into the trap of spending more than you earn. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Prioritize needs over wants. And remember, it's okay to say no to unnecessary expenses. 2. Neglecting an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and not having an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to, but make it a habit to contribute regularly. 3. Ignoring retirement savings. Retirement may seem far away, but the earlier you start saving, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage of it. Consider opening an IRA if you're self-employed or need additional savings options. 4. Relying too much on credit cards. Credit cards can be helpful, but they're also dangerous if not managed properly. Avoid carrying high-interest debt by paying off your balance in full each month. Use them responsibly and only for purchases you can afford. 5. Not investing early. Waiting to invest is one of the costliest mistakes you can make. Start with index funds or ETFs to diversify and minimize risk. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. 6. Skipping health insurance. Medical emergencies can lead to massive debt if you're uninsured. Even if you're young and healthy, find an affordable health insurance plan to protect yourself. 7. Overspending on housing. Your rent or mortgage shouldn't exceed 30% of your income. Overspending on housing can make it challenging to save for other priorities. Explore more affordable options if needed. 8. Not tracking expenses. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending. Identifying where your money goes will help you cut back on unnecessary expenses. 9. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Beware of anything that promises quick and guaranteed returns. Stick to legitimate, proven methods of growing your wealth, like investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. 10. Ignoring financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Read books, follow trusted finance channels, or take courses to improve your financial literacy. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And there you have it, 10 common money mistakes to avoid in your 20s and 30s. Remember, building wealth isn't about how much you make, but how wisely you manage it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.